Welcome to the journey from spices to cosmetics at Terra Naturals. Feel nature's touch in every drop. Stay tuned for my upcoming video. I will be sharing DIY recipes that turn spices into cosmetics. Today, let's explore the benefits of some spices from the kitchen to cosmetics. The journey of spices from the kitchen to the realm of cosmetics is a fascinating tale of innovation and holistic beauty practices. Since ancient times, spices have transcended their culinary boundaries to become core ingredients in skincare and cosmetic formulations. At the heart of the story is turmeric, the golden spice, renowned not only for its culinary prowess but also for its remarkable skincare benefits. Curcumin in turmeric has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, antimicrobial properties. Turmeric essential oils has soothing and healing properties, rich in vitamin E and C, rich in potassium, iron and manganese. Turmeric, a cherished asset in cosmetics, lends its golden touch for glowing, clear and healthy skin. Similarly, cinnamon, often celebrated for its warm, enchanting aroma, plays a pivotal role in stimulating blood circulation when applied topically, rendering the skin with a youthful vitality. Saffron, the rare and luxurious spice hailed for its potent antioxidant qualities. In cosmetics, saffron promises to foster skin elasticity and diminish signs of aging, making it a prized component in anti-aging creams. Nutmeg, another contributor, introduces its antibacterial virtues into the world of beauty, offering a natural remedy for spots and blemishes. Its aromatic charm is leveraged in crafting enticing cosmetic fragrances, providing both therapeutic and sensory delights. Rich in copper, magnesium, and fiber antioxidants. Fennel seeds. Fennel seeds offer several benefits in cosmetics. They are rich in minerals like potassium, calcium, magnesium, and iron. It has soothing, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying properties. Combat free radicals, helping to reduce signs of aging and improve overall skin health. They can help calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and soothe conditions like acne or eczema. Fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and natural compounds which give them a variety of powerful skincare benefits. Fenugreek seed components may help to increase the production of collagen, improve the elasticity of the skin, and lessen the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines. Pepper, a pungent spice. Particularly black pepper can be incorporated into cosmetic products due to its various beneficial properties. Black pepper's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities can help treat skin infections and acne. Black pepper extract rich in antioxidants and bioactive compounds like pepperine can be used in skincare products to cleanse, purify, and reduce inflammation. The intersection of spices and cosmetics reminds us of the timeless appreciation for nature's gifts in enhancing our well-being. The fusion of these ancient spices with modern cosmetic science underscores a trend towards holistic and sustainable beauty solutions. Herbs and spices are not just an afterthought, but a fundamental aspect of product development. In conclusion, the evolution from spices to cosmetics is more than just a blending of ingredients. It is an appreciation and celebration of nature's ability to care for and beautify. The narrative of spices in cosmetics is a testament to the constant adaptation and forward thinking in the beauty industry, where legacy and innovation flourish side by side.